If a function of a particular organ in your body has problems, you will experience some health problems. For example, if kidneys fail to properly eliminate waste products from the blood, do you know what will happen to your body? Read this article and you will learn what the signs of kidney damage are, and the things you can do to improve kidneys' function in a natural way. Pain in your lower back. If you are dealing with kidney damage and unhealthy kidneys, pain in the lower back is the most common sign. At first, you will feel pain only on the one side, but after some period the pain will be felt on both sides as well. Moreover, if you are sleeping on only one side, usually it is the side where the kidney has more issues. Also, when you wake up in the morning or in the middle of the night to go to urine, it may not come easily and your lower back hurts on one or both sides. Do not ignore these symptoms because they are early signs of kidney damage. Rashes, dryness, and itching. Rashes, itching and dryness can be caused by the waste's accumulation in the blood when the kidneys are not able to remove wastes from the bloodstream. Take this symptom very seriously because it indicates kidneys problems. Treating it with topical creams won't solve the actual problem. Urinary function changes. When the kidneys are unable to make urine, the urinary patterns will change. This is what can happen. Foamy or bubbly urine. Getting up in the night frequently to urinate. Pale urine when urinating more often. Dark-colored urine when urinating less often. Difficulty while urinating or feeling pressure while doing that. Blood in the urine. These are signs of damaged kidneys, and when you notice change in color, the greater the damage to kidneys is. Swelling in different parts of the body. Kidneys are body organs that remove wastes and extra fluid from the body. Surplus fluid will accumulate if the kidneys fail to remove it from the body. This leads to swelling in the face, legs, hands, ankles, and feet. Check it with your doctor immediately if you are experiencing any swelling because it means your kidneys are even more damaged. Fatigue and weakness. Kidneys produce the hormone erythropoietin. It aids in making red blood cells that carry oxygen. Anemia occurs if red blood cells reduce in the body. Also, when the oxygen delivery to cells is reduced, fatigue and general weakness happen. Kidney damage causes. The heavy metal cadmium in most cases is the biggest thing that leads to kidney damage. Cadmium gets in the environment through the burning of oil and coal and incineration of municipal waste. This metal can be found in phosphate fertilizers that pollutes the food supply. Also, smokers directly inhale cadmium into the lungs. How to improve the function of kidneys. Diet and lifestyle can help you improve the function of your kidneys. Quit smoking and avoid products that have big amounts of cadmium. Stay hydrated and do plenty of exercises. Try to consume cranberry juice each day. Yeah.